It's not the same small southern town that I grew up in. It's really more dynamic.
Just a really nice place to visit, especially considering our location.
You have the mountains, the beaches is a couple hours away.
Our downtown has won lots of awards, so it just offers a lot.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Clark. Welcome to GSP.
If I describe where Greenville is located, it would be between Charlotte and Spartanburg, South Carolina.
We're basically halfway between Atlanta, Georgia, and Charlotte, North Carolina.
So Piedmont here controls, I want to say the whole airport.
We handle above and below the wing, all ramp functions, all ticketing, all gate, and all baggage service. All of this, everything that you see around us right now is brand new. About 2014, we brought mainline service back into Greenville, Spartanburg, and since then, we're up to about 28, 29 flights a day. We handle everything that's out there, from the Embraer 145 to the Canadair regionals, the 7s, the 9s. We do the 175s, as well as the mainline 737 and the Airbus family.
We hit some big cities, and I don't think people are aware as much. We go nonstop Miami, of course Charlotte, then you go DC Reagan, LaGuardia, Philly, Chicago, and Dallas, and those are all major hubs for American. So, we get a mixture of leisure and business. BMW and Michelin are both here.
Our leisure travelers are mostly, during the summertime or during spring break, families and so forth getting out or either coming in for graduations and stuff like that, because as you know, we have a bunch of colleges here as well. You got your Clemson, you've got your Wofford, you've got your Furman, you got all of that here. So that's most of your leisure.
Downtown and the airport is not that far. You can get from the airport into downtown in about 15 minutes.
The downtown area is the scenery to come to. They have it's called McKinney Park, which is a beautiful park downtown area. We have a AA baseball team here.
There is a Shoeless Joe Jackson museum here as well.
And we have great golf courses around here.
The city puts a lot of time and money into making sure that it's a very livable city. People want to get into aviation. This is a place to go.
So we got teachers, firefighters, and just different careers and in their background. I was a bartender for about 8 years. Ever since 2022, I started here. I absolutely love it.
I have retired from law enforcement, so I've been here, like I said, 7.5 years.
So I tell my new hires coming in, especially the younger generation who are searching, for a career, I'll tell them, especially if they're looking to grow, this is the place to be. The growth here inside this station, you have an opportunity to learn as much as you choose. We always say, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere.
I think Piedmont is a really good company. It's been amazing to me.